Before I insert any type of text, if you didn't notice, I made some mistakes. Well, it's not mistakes, but I forgot something, which is this part right here, and next to her arm there's a part I didn't do. So let's just zoom in and grab my pen tool, make sure path is selected. I'll just go through it, and I just want to cut it. No, this is not good. I'll undo with Control Z and go back again. I'll just close it. That's it. And right click, make selection, OK, and hit Alt Delete. Now this only works if you have this one selected. And I'll deselect by Control D. I'll go back again with this part right here. No, this is not good. There's a part of white I forgot. Let's just do it again. I'll go back to my first point and close it. Again, make selection, OK, Alt and Delete. That's it. Now it's perfectly good. By inserting text, simply I just hit this one. I'll drag and make a little box. Here is my text. Just name her Wanda John. Just a little name. Let's make it bigger. It's not really good. I'm not happy with this. Oops. Control Z to undo that. I'll select all of this and control the font size. As you can see, when I chose the text command, I inserted the text, it gave it a new layer, so that's really good. And you can see her name is above the picture. If I put it back down, you see it goes behind her, so I want at top. I'll move it Wanda John, or you can simply just choose another font. There are so many fonts, you can find them online. I'll choose this one. Oops. Select this layer. Let's just say I want to change some spacings. You see the spacings between these letters, and there are so many options. You can just play with it in here, or if it's not shown, you can go to Window and choose Characters, and the size and so many things, all caps, and so many options. You feel free to play with it. Oops. The reason why this is happening because auto selection is on. So if I hit this layer will move. Or if I hit this layer is gonna move. So I'll hit Control Z a couple times and bring this one right here. Try to insert anything, just something else. Say Thursday, 9 p.m. Let's make it bigger just so you can see it. In the middle, that's good. I'll delete this, and I want to make it smaller maybe. just change the font. Control Z. Come on, Control Z. It's not moving, so I'm just gonna drag it and delete it. That's it. Now I have this one selected. Oh. Control Z. That's alright, it happens. Oh, because I don't have this one selected. So now easily I can do it.